Hi Clementine's friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make some tortillas. Some sweet tortillas and some savory tortillas. So come with me and I'll show you what we need to make them. You need some tortillas, a microwave safe plate, a pizza wheel or a knife, some cookie cutters. If you don't have any, don't worry, we can cut some shapes, or you can leave them whole. A 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, a bowl to mix it in. That's going to be one of the toppings, cinnamon and sugar. Some shredded cheese. I have cheddar here. And about 2 tablespoons of melted butter and a pastry brush to spread it with. First thing we're going to do is make our cinnamon and sugar topping. You can find pre-mixed cinnamon and sugar in the spice aisle, but I didn't have any, so it's easy enough to make our own. We're going to take that 1/4 cup of sugar and our 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon and just mix it together. Okay. So we have this done and we'll set it aside, and now we will cut the tortillas. The next thing we need to do is get the tortillas ready. You can leave them as they are, big circles, or I have some cookie cutters here. So I've got here, what is that? You're right, a butterfly. So I'm going to place my butterfly cookie cutter there. How about this one? What does that look like to you? Did you say flower? Yes, a flower. So they fit on the tortilla together, which is kind of nice. We can make most out of our one tortilla. And in fact, if I move these over even more, I'll have room for one more shape. We're studying balls. Does anyone know what kind of ball that is? What shape does that look like? What kind of ball? That's right, a football. So I think our football will fit right there. And we're going to press down. There we go. Okay, press. And you have, here's our flower shape. Here's our football shape. Sometimes you have to help it out a little bit. Our football shape and our butterfly. Oops, we have to do that one a little bit more. Push down harder. There, we've got our butterfly. Okay, and look at that. There's the shapes there too. Okay, and then if you don't have a cookie cutter, here's another tortilla. I like to use a pizza wheel. So you can just, I'm going to make, maybe, I'll show you. What shape did I make there? Did you say triangle? You're right. I made a triangle. And I'll make one more shape here. What shape is that? Did you say rectangle? You're right, I made a rectangle. I'll take all these away. And then I'll lay the shapes out on our cutting board. And we have to bring in our melted butter. Now you only want to put the melted butter on the ones that are going to get the cinnamon and sugar. So I will make these 3 with cinnamon and sugar and these 2 with cheddar. So I'm going to dip my pastry brush in the butter and just lightly butter them so they're coated. And I'm going to grab the cinnamon and sugar and you sprinkle some cinnamon and sugar right on top of the butter. Okay, and then these last 2, the football And the flour, I'm going to put some cheddar cheese on top. Some shredded cheddar cheese. Okay. And then we transfer everything from the cutting board onto a microwave safe plate. Okay. And then we're going to take it over to the microwave. Okay, we're going to put our tortillas in the microwave. And we're going to microwave on high for 20 seconds. And you've got your cheese melted, your cinnamon and sugar is all buttery. After they come out, let them cool a few minutes. And then when they're cool, enjoy.